Hi guys, my name is Kunal and you're watching Byte Official. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple hack without using any third-party applications which you can use to view all the comments that you get on YouTube, or should I say on your YouTube channel. So basically all the comments and all the replies on the comments that you get on the YouTube, you can view all of them in one place. So see, for that you need to install YouTube Studio on your phone. Okay, so here you can see the screen of my smartphone by my side, and see, I'll just scroll down and go to YouTube Studio. Now on the top right hand side you can see this notification icon, that is the bell icon. You just need to click on that. So here again on the top right hand side you can see the settings, that is the gear icon. Just click on that, and then you can see the comment notifications. Select it and then set it to all. So now all the comments that you get on your YouTube channel will come over there in the notification section. You can check it over there also, and if you have enabled notifications for your YouTube Studio, then you can also get them in the notification bar of your smartphone. So if you found this video useful, do like this video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.